Hello, and thanks for joining us on a brand new Expert Talk with Entrekin Insurance. And joining me once again is Jody Entrekin. Jody, thanks so much for joining us once again on course. Well, we need to discuss the reasons for all the insurance increases. Everybody has so many questions about this. Is inflation really to blame?
In a nutshell, no. That is part of it. You know, it's a wonderful question. This is something that everyone is asking us every single day. So sometimes, kind of like ripping off a Band-Aid, you just need to say it. Right. No one really wants to hear the cold, hard truth. Mm-hmm. Here goes the cold, hard truth of why insurance rates are increasing. Claims, claims, and claims. We have filed so many claims, and people say, oh, I haven't filed a claim since Hurricane Katrina. Well, neither have I, or neither is the next person. Mm-hmm. However, if you look at the stats and statistically over the last 6 years, you know, the volume of insurance claims have increased. You know, it's actually coming up on 3 times in the last 6 years. Yeah. So it doesn't matter what you do, you know, what affects, you know, Florida or New York or Alabama or Louisiana ultimately still affects us here because it's the same insurance companies. Mm-hmm. You know, so if you paid $2,000 for a policy and now all of a sudden this claim over here is filed and they paid out 20 grand, you know, they're in the hole. Right? Now, if you multiply that by the hundreds of thousands of claims that have been filed across the country, no matter how much water you put in that bucket, it's going to empty. Okay. And that's what's happening. Mm-hmm. So now you have hundreds of insurance carriers. Their buckets have gone empty. Right. So what are they doing? They're leaving Mississippi. Okay. Saying, hey, we don't want to insure here. Right. Or, fine, we'll still do your insurance. Mm-hmm. This is going to be the new rate. Right. You know, and that's what people really don't want to hear. Right. You know, and it's a sad fact, but all of us are facing it. Right. All right. Well, that's all the time we have today. Thank you so much, Jody, for all of that really knowledgeable information for sure. We appreciate you joining us. You're very welcome.
And we'll see you next time.